YouTube. R6 I traded for the MR2 update. Got stolen, got wrecked. I'm building it for a second time. This time I had to build a whole bunch more than I wanted to. But it's cool. I told him I'd help him out, and I'm a man of my word. So, I got the bike all taped up, the plastics. I got the tank painted black on the first coat. Just gave it a light sanding. Had to work out some of the dents from the wreck. We're letting this one dry now, and then I'll hit it with another coat of spray paint. Probably another. And then I'll probably hit it with a couple cans of Plasti Dip with a clear coat on it. And we'll move on to the fairings that I have laid out all over our garage. So, it's getting there. Bikes, I want it done tonight. I think I can do it, so we'll see. Good old Plasti Dip. This is an art, I'll tell you what.
You got any tips of the day for how to do that?
Clean strokes, about 6 inches away. Don't put too much on.
You probably have a lot of practice making 6-inch strokes, don't you?
Oh baby, I tell you what. Crackhead crankcase cover off the R6. And you know what, because we like you guys so much, we're going to go ahead and raffle this off to y'all. And I'll save it $10 a ticket.
One of you lucky guys
500 tickets available.
are going to have a piece of pro garage mechanic history.
Have a piece of crackhead history right here. This guy wrecked it, got caught, went to jail. And you can have a little bit of the evidence that didn't make it into the courtroom. Follow the link below.